Oh boy.
How many in your group, guys? 4. Go right behind them. 2 and then 2.
Okay. This one?
You?
Yep.
Right behind them.
Okay. All good.
It's too wet.
Uh-oh.
Oops.
Alright.
Here we go. I think I got some napkins. Oh wow.
I know.
Uh-oh.
Whatever. It's like ocean's
Your choice. At this point, it would be.
Not a step in the way, a step in.
That's bigger.
Mine's out of shape.
Alrighty, folks, please remain seated at all times. Keep both hands, arms, fingers, paddles, and the canoe until my friend Eric tells you otherwise. Parents, watch out for those children. Have fun, everyone. See you guys in an hour.
Aiming at the ducks, apparently. Are we not supposed to do this now?
All right, everybody, how we doing?
Spectacular.
Good. That's good.
How are you?
I'm doing great, sir. Thank you for asking. First person today to do so. Are you guys ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Are you ready for an adventure? Yeah, but guys, you chose the wrong ride. All we do here is paddle. So go ahead and get those paddles up, everybody. Get that blade out above the water. Your inside hand is going to grab the fishtail. That outside hand down by the blade. On the count of 3, we are going to reach forward, put those paddles in the water, and pull backwards. Guys, I said on 3. I didn't even get to 1. Are we ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, stroke. 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 Just follow the paddle in front of you. Make the same mistakes they make. Especially if that paddle is being held by a child. It's okay, guys, it's okay.
He's going the wrong way.
Sweetie, you gotta reach forward and pull back. Welcome to the world famous Davy Crockett Explorer Canoes. My name is Eric. I'm gonna be your river guide today. In the back of the canoe, steering us to safety, is my best friend, Ben. Everybody turn around and say, howdy.
Howdy.
He's right, everybody. Out here on the river, we have 3 simple rules. Rule number 1, never stop paddling. This is a real life canoe. And if you know row, we know go. Rule number 2, please, no intentional splashing. As you can tell, our water is a lovely shade of gross. And our 3rd and final rule, please no standing up or switching seats. Only a fool would be standing in a moving canoe. Yes, Sam, thank you for being the only person to laugh at that joke. Do you want to go a little faster?
Yeah.
Me too, so paddle faster. Keep it up, everybody. We are only halfway to our halfway point.
Okay.
Now, folks, have you guys seen Mickey and Minnie today? Yeah? Awesome. Right here, I do have their cousins, though, from Canada, Mickey and Minnie Moose. Yeah, you probably didn't recognize them. They shaved off their mustaches. They like to remain anonymous. That's why they're on this side of the amusement park. Now, I know my jokes aren't very amusing. You might be thinking this ride was a mistake. Because some of you look pretty miserable right now. Go ahead and take a break, everybody. Take a break. I have some good news. We are officially halfway done with our journey. Okay, but this next half is going to be the most dangerous part. Out there is full public view. Yeah, they will be watching you. And I'm pretty sure they'll be judging you because this is Orange County after all. So I need you guys to paddle hard, smile, pretend you're having fun. Let's try to make everybody out there think this ride was a good idea. Yeah. Now you know why the line was so short. Now, is this anybody's first time on the canoes? First timers? Yeah, I can tell. Yeah. Oh, this is your last time? Get out. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Now, I do have a question that I want to ask you guys. Did you know that we actually have 5 mountains here at Disneyland?
What? 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 5 mountains. Can you guys name them all? Splash Mountain.
Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
Big Thunder Mountain.
Thunder Mountain. And Matterhorn. What's the 5th one? You guys don't know?
No.
All right, I'm going to tell you right now. If you guys turn around and look at Ben's right bicep, there's the 5th mountain. It's a low budget ride, guys. I have low budget jokes. All right, do you guys think we can pass that big boat?
Yeah.
I sure hope so. It's parked. One person. All right, we're gonna go. 1, 2, 3. Stroke. 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 Keep it up, everybody. I'm gonna sit down and help you out. If you guys paddle hard, I'll give you a nice long break at the end of the second half.
See what he did there? At the end of the ride?
Sorry everyone around me.
We need a drummer. Oh no.
Welcome aboard our this be the captain's speak. Before we make sail, you should know that we have a few rules upon this ship. For a safe voyage, there may be no sitting on the outside rail or placing of young sailors upon them.
Oh, they're all staring at us now. Hey, so much fun. Come on board. Best ride ever.
Fun!
I know.
Keep it up, everybody. We are almost done with lap number 1. We got 3 more to go. Lap 2, I like to focus on speed. Lap 3 for endurance. And lap 4 is my favorite. The kids get out and push. No, I'm just kidding, guys. You only have like 20 seconds left. Ben and I still have another hour. Hey, are you guys fans of the Haunted Mansion?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you want to hear a ghost joke?
Sure.
That's the spirit. Oh, you just got it now? Okay. Paddles up and inside the canoe, please. Paddles all the way inside. Hands and fingers inside as well. I don't want to do paperwork today. Guys, if you had fun, my name was Eric. In the back was Ben. Give him a round of applause for getting you back safe. Okay, now, folks, I have always been told that you can tell the quality of a ride by the length of its line. That's not very long, obviously. Stay seated, buddy. Sit down, sit down. All right. Now, folks, I do have a couple of important things I need to tell you before you get out of my canoe. Those paddles that you have in your hand, whether you used them or not, they're gonna go in the green box behind me. All right, the little one with the life jacket, we're gonna keep it on until you step away from the water. Now, folks, I did write you a poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. You guys barely paddled. Now get out of my canoe. Please look down and watch your step. Have a great rest of your day.
Watch Fred.
Tell your friends how much fun you had. It helps keep our line short. Yep. Feel free to get back in line.
Get a workout on the other side. Feel free to get back in line.
Almost